Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Philippine Women's College of Davao and Ateneo de Davao University. Presenting the referees for this match, first referee, Bob Asho, National Referee. Our second referee, Anne Mariel Rosel, National Referee. Presenting the starting lineup for Philippine Women's College of Davao. Starting with their team captain, setter, jersey number 8, Hilary Clarion. Opposite, jersey number 1, Ron Antipuesto. Outside hitter number 2, Erika Montes. Middle blocker number 4, Laikari Guerme. Middle blocker number 5, Maikari Guerme. And outside hitter number 6, Desiree Tabucanon. In their libero, jersey number 17, Jana Bucali. And their head coach, Kenneth Kutamura. And now let's meet the starters for the Ateneo de Davao University. Starting with their team captain, opposite, jersey number 11, Sara Tagiran. Setter number 3, Liberica Yi. Middle blocker number 9, Kyle Esteves. Outside hitter number 14, Eli Cabingatan. Middle blocker number 16 is Sam Jimenez. Outside hitter number 18, Shai Noro. And their libero number 13, Angel Bacamante. And their head coach, JC Velasquez. This is match number 4 of V-League Mindanao presented by the Savi to be played between Philippine Women's College and Ateneo de Davao University. For both of these teams, best of luck.
And we welcome you back inside the Davao City Recreational Center as we take a look at our starting lineups. From the Philippine Women's College of Davao, we have Clarion, Montes, Requerme, Antipuesto, Tabucanon, Requerme, and Bucaling. Samantala, ang Blue Knights na Ateneo de Davao with Noro Esteves, Tagiran, Kabingatan, Jimenez Yi. Of course, their libero number 13, Bacamante. So yan po ang ating starting lineups for both teams as this is the debut game of the Ateneo de Davao Blue Knights versus the Philippine Women's College of Davao Patriots, who came off a disappointing loss to the Jose Maria College Royals noong nakarang Miyerkules as they lost in 3 straight sets ang PWC Patriots. So the first game of the Ateneo de Davao Blue Knights, so this will be a big test for them, especially under the tutelage of their head coach, JC Velasquez. Samantala for the Philippine Women's College of Davao Patriots under kang head coach Kenneth Kutamora, they want to have a bounce-back victory as they're gonna have another big test against the debuting team, the Ateneo de Davao Blue Knights. Once again, ako po si Ray Alonsagay, kauban ako si Trina Blanco. Nagkakayong salamat sa inyong pagtanaw sa among live coverage sa ating V-League Mindanao Collegiate Challenge, hatid sa inyo ng Davao Schools Athletic Foundation Incorporated. So action is now underway. Here comes Ateneo. And ball is still alive. Here comes the Blue Knights. From the back row. That goes. And the first point of the season from Shai Noro. That's their open hitter for the Blue Knights. So the first point coming off a long rally from the Blue Knights. And there's Kyle Jaire Esteves with her first serve of the season. And that's an ace. First ace of the season from Esteves. So take a look at that jump serve from Esteves, and that was deep. And hindi lang makatanggap doon si Destiny Tabucanon for the Patriots. And that's a better reception for the Patriots. They're looking for the first point. That's a great dig from the Blue Knights. Tagiran goes over the net. Patriots with another opportunity. Drop shot, that won't work. Blue Knights, Tagiran off the cross court. And that's a good dig from the Patriots. Goes over the net. Yi on the setup to the side. Got it! That's Eli Kabingatan with the first attack point from the Blue Knights. That's a 3-0 start for the Blue Knights, courtesy of that attack point from Kabingatan. Another serve for the Blue Knights. Oh, that's a bad reception for the Patriots, and that's another ace. Mula kang Esteves, 2 aces early in this match from Esteves. A promising start for Coach JC Velasquez at ng Blue Knights. And that's another ace. 3 aces already. Mula kang Esteves. And that's from your middle blocker, Kyle Esteves, with 3 aces already. 5-0 Blue Knights. That's another ace. Ace number 4 for Kyle Esteves. What a start for the Blue Knights. And that spells trouble early on sa ating laro for the PWC Patriots. And the Patriots needs to have a better reception of the serve from Esteves. Here comes the attack attempt. Esteves with a good dig. Kabingatan goes over the net. Here comes the Patriots on the setup job to the side. Deflected. PWC looking for the first point. Antipuesto, drop shot. But it was a good save, but looks like a net touch violation on the Blue Knights, and that's the first point from the Philippine Women's College of Davao Patriots, where the Patriots lost in 3 sets to the Jose Maria College Lady Royals, 22-25, 22-25, and 23-25. So it was a close match noong nakarang Miyerkules, but the Patriots came up short against the Lady Royals. Kabingatan sees a little crack of the floor defense. She puts it away for the Blue Knights. That's another attack point para sa Ateneo de Davao. There it is. Beautiful teamwork. Great setup job to Kabingatan. She punches it through up high. And there's Coach JC Velasquez manning the sidelines this evening for the Blue Knights. And that's an attack point from the Patriots, courtesy of Laika Requerme. So we have a substitution for the Patriots, as that's a Let's see, that's number 5, Maika Requerme. Checking in for the Patriots. And that's a second point, pero that serve was way short for Laika Requerme, number 4 ng Patriots. And that's a free point for the Blue Knights, 8-3. That's 8-2 rather. So Kabingatan will serve for the Blue Knights. That's Francois Elisha Kabingatan. Here comes PWC. And that's a good dig from Lee. Another setup job, cross-court shot, yes! Desiree Tabucanon right through the blockers of Ateneo. Third point for the Patriots. There it is, great setup. Mula kang Hilary Clarion goes to her teammate Desiree Tabucanon. And that's a good serve. Great reception for the Blue Knights. A little bit of an over-reception for the Blue Knights. And that's a point for the Patriots. So magandang bawi for the crew led by Coach Kenneth Kutamora. Good jump serve. Kabingatan with the reception. Drop shot. And that's a good dig. Bukaling goes over the net. And that's a lucky break for the Patriots. As the defense caught napping for the Blue Knights. So that's a 3-point deficit for the Patriots, 5 serving 8. So another serve coming up for the Patriots. And good reception for Ateneo. Cross court. That's good. Mula kang Shai Noro. So maganda yung forma on that attack from Shaila Noro. So Sam Jimenez will serve, their middle blocker for the Blue Knights. And that's a good reception from Bukaling. And that's a good dig for Ateneo. Cross court. And that was a good dig from the Patriots. Another attempt for Ateneo. Yi on the setup. Cross court. Yes! Mula kang Shai Noro. Attack point for the Blue Knights as they're now in double figures in this opening set. Beautiful setup from Yi. Goes to the side from Shaila Noro. That quality attack point for the Blue Knights. 10-5 ating talaan for the Blue Knights ng Ateneo de Davao. And of course, sa ating batiin sa ating mga kaibigan dyan, we would like to give a shout out to the students, the faculty, the staff ng Ateneo de Davao University, most especially to Ma'am Ivy, Nurse Maggie, Nurse Che, Ma'am May. So hoping you're enjoying sa ating action dito mula sa Davao City Recreational Center as the Blue Knights with a promising start, but a quick counterattack coming off the timeout from the PWC Patriots. And of course, shoutout natin sa ating mga estudyante, faculty, and staff from the Philippine Women's College of Davao. Daghang kayong salamat sa inyong pagtanaw sa atong live coverage sa ating first season ng ating V-League Mindanao Collegiate Challenge presented by the Safi. Yi. And that's a great play right at the middle from the PWC Patriots. So great action at the middle, at the net from the Patriots. So 7 serving 10. Good reception here for the Blue Knights. Power tip is good. Mula kang Kyle Esteves, their middle blocker. And you can see her leaping ability on that power tip from the Blue Knights. There it is on that replay. Off the reception, the setup from V, and the tip in from Kyle Esteves. Apat na po ang abante ng Blue Knights ng Ateneo. And that's Liberecai with the serve. Good reception from Bukaling. Shot blocked. Ateneo with another opportunity. PWC with another chance. Drop shot, that won't work for PWC. Ball goes over the net. Bukaling, another chance. Quick hit. And that time, it goes mula sa PWC Patriots. And that's from Clarion. So there's Desiree Tabucanon, so one of the players to watch for the Philippine Women's College of Davao. And on your screens there, that's Angel Bacamante, the libero ng Ateneo. So Micah Requerme will serve for the Patriots ng Philippine Women's College of Davao, but that was way short. And that's a free point for the Blue Knights ng Ateneo de Davao. So Shai Noro will serve for the Blue Knights, their open hitter. As we're now 10 minutes into the action of this opening set. Quick attack, that won't work for Ateneo. He will try. Sets up to the side, yes! Mula kang Sara Tagiran, their team captain, with that cross-court shot. Take a look at this nice replay. Yi from the side, and that's Tagiran with the finish. 5-point lead for the Blue Knights, 13-8. Here comes Ateneo. Yi, set up job, deflected from PWC. He will try again, this time, cross court. Good dig from the Patriots. From the back row, and that's a better dig from the Blue Knights. Tagiran will try. And that was on the line on that cross court shot from their team captain. Sara Emmy Tagiran gives Ateneo a 14-8 lead. I think this is the largest of the match for the Blue Knights. Served by Shai Noro. Good reception from Antipuesto. Drop shot. Good dig from Ateneo. Tagiran will try again. This time an attack error rather from the Blue Knights. So a free point for the Patriots ng Philippine Women's College of Davao. So Patriots now on serve as Hilary Clarion will serve. And good reception from Ateneo. Goes over the net. But that was a bad dig from Bukaling. A little bit of miscommunication on the side of the Patriots. Balik sa anim ng abante ng ng Ateneo de Davao Blue Knights rather. So Kyle Esteves will serve. Remember, she had 4 aces early in the first set. And that's ace number 5 for Kyle Esteves. What a start for her tonight. For Kyle Esteves and the rest of the Blue Knights ng Ateneo de Davao. 5 aces already for Esteves. Grabe yung persa, yung serves niya throughout this first set. And that's a good reception from PWC. Cross-court attempt. Yi with a dig. And that's a good tip. Great tip in. Mula kang Erica Montes. And PWC now in double figures in the opening set. And there's Coach JC Velasquez, sa mga notable coaches in women's volleyball here in Davao City. PWC now on serve. And that's a great reception from Bacamante. Cross-court shot is good. That's her favorite spot. Mula kang Sara Tagiran, their team captain. And that's a 7-point lead for the Ateneo de Davao Blue Knights, 17-10. And we have a timeout from the Patriots ng PWC.
Davao Coast Athletic Foundation Incorporated in partnership with Sports Mission Management Group Incorporated and the City Government of Davao. And the Davao City Board of Health Commission. Your company.
A big advantage here in the opening set for the Ateneo de Davao Blue Knights. A rousing start for the guys in blue. So the ladies in blue looks to make some noise on their first game dito sa loob ng Davao City Recreational Center. And remember, going back to Kyle Esteves, she had 5 aces just in the first set. And now serving for the Blue Knights, that's Sara Tagiran, who had plenty of attack points for the Blue Knights in this opening set. And that's a good serve for her. Bukaling goes over the net. Yi, set up jump. Jimenez on the power tip. So that's Sam Jimenez with the power tip in for the Blue Knights. And take a look at this replay. Yi with another great setup to Jimenez on that power tip. Nakita yung may puwang sa floor defense ng PWC Patriots. It's now an 8-point lead for the Blue Knights. 18 serving 10. So Sara Tagiran will try to go for another quality serve. The lefty. And that's a good reception from Tabucanon. Tabucanon will go for the cross court, but a good dig for the Blue Knights. Cross court shot. Great dig from Bukaling. Tabucanon will try again, and this time it works. Mula kang Desiree Tabucanon right through the blockers ng Ateneo de Davao. There's that last replay. Tabucanon using her full force, full swing of her arm on that attack point for the Blue Knights. For the Patriots rather. So you have some substitutions for the Blue Knights and also for the Patriots. So that's number 28. That's Julie Kodog for the Patriots. Samantala ang Blue Knights with Joy Malyari now coming in to the match tonight. And serving for the Patriots, that's Juliana Peñaranda, their middle blocker for Coach Kenneth Kutamora. But that serve was long. And that's a free point for the Blue Knights. And the issue for the Patriots is that they're committing some service errors in this opening set. Kaya malaki na po ang kalamangan ng Blue Knights. 8 na po ang abante ng Blue Knights, 19-11. Here comes Tabucanon. And that's a good dig from the Blue Knights. Cross-court shot. Tabucanon with the dig. Joust to the middle, and that's a power tip in. Mula kang Kodog, Julian Kodog. Of her first point for the Patriots. So Antipuesto will serve. And that's a good reception from Kabingatan. Cross court. That's full power. Mula kang Shai Noro on that deep cross court shot. And Ateneo de Davao now at the 20-point mark here in this first set. So papasok dito si Jessa Revita ng Patriots, number 11. So Sam Jimenez will serve. Good stance will serve there for Jimenez. And that's a quality attack point. Mula kang Desiree Tabucanon. Right from the middle. So one of the bright spots in terms of scoring for the PWC Patriots, courtesy of that shot right there from Desiree Tabucanon. Good serve for Tabucanon. Yi will try. From the back row. But good deflection from the Patriots. And ball goes over the net. Yi. Power tip, Esteves. That won't work. Quick attack. Di lang gumagana from the Patriots. And that's another attack point. That's a powerful cross-court kill from Shai Noro. 21-13 for the Blue Knights. But credits to the efforts of Liberica Yi. With that great setup jobs to her hitters dito sa ating first set. Kasi in basketball terms, Libera Kai is, I would describe her as a great point guard for the Blue Knights. And there's Sheena Lau will serve things up for the Blue Knights as they're just 4 points away from capturing the opening set on their first match dito sa Davao City. Cross court. That goes! What an angle from Shai Noro. One of the top scorers here in the first set for the Ateneo de Davao Blue Knights. That's an amazing angle from Shai Noro. It's another serve for Sheena Lau. Good reception from the Patriots. And looks like somebody got across the line. That was Esteves. And that's a point for the Patriots as they're back on serve. Down 8 dito sa ating first set. So that's Julian Kotog will serve. And that's an Everest to climb for the PWC Patriots. And we have some substitutions as Esteves returns to the bench as she had 5 aces in the first set. She's being replaced by Micaela Sitoy. Unfortunately, that's a service error for the Patriots. And that's a free point for the Blue Knights. Shaila Noro will serve. As Ateneo only has 2 points needed to take this first set. And good reception. Power tip. Deflected from the Blue Knights. Cross court. Good deflection from the Patriots. From the back row, Tabucanon. That's good. Right on the line for the Patriots. So Tabucanon, Desiree Tabucanon, the top scorer so far in this match for the Patriots. 15 serving 23. But that serve was way too long. And that's a set point for the Blue Knights as they're aiming to capture the first set. So Sitoy will serve as we have number 16, that's Sam Jimenez returning. So amazing start for the Blue Knights, led of course by Coach JC Velasquez. Plenty of quality plays from the Blue Knights dito sa kanilang first set. And looks like we have some discussion here with referee Bob Aslo. That's why we have a stoppage of play here in this venue. So that's Shai Noro talking with Bob Aslo, one of our referees this evening. So there was a warning call against the Blue Knights. So play continues. PWC. And that shot that won't work. Cross court. That goes! Mula kang Joy Malyari. So plenty of amazing plays throughout the first set for the Ateneo de Davao Blue Knights as they take the opening set over the Philippine Women's College of Davao Patriots. So a rousing debut in this first set for the Ateneo de Davao University Blue Knights as they captured the first set 25-15 mula dito sa loob ng Davao City Recreational Center.
Mas gawing espesyal at mas pasarapin ang inyong paboritong beef steak, chicken adobo at pork menudo. Mas pasarapin ang lutuin with Virginia liver spread.
Taste, feel, discover, and experience Mindanao as it lives and grows. This is Mindanao on Mindanao Network.
espesyal at mas pasarapin ang inyong paboritong beefsteak, chicken adobo at pork menudo. Mas pasarapin ang lutuin with Virginia liver spread.
Taste, feel, discover, and experience Mindanao as it lives and grows. This is Mindanao on Mindanao Network.
Gawing espesyal at mas pasarapin ang inyong paboritong beefsteak, chicken adobo at pork menudo. Mas pasarapin ang lutuin with Virginia liver spread.
Taste, feel, discover, and experience Mindanao as it lives and grows. This is Mindanao on Mindanao Network.
Balik po tayo dito sa loob ng Davao City Recreational Center, and the Ateneo de Davao University Blue Knights with a magical start as they take the first set 25-15, and plenty of quality plays from the players under Coach JC Velasquez as the Philippine Women's College of Davao Patriots looks to regroup heading into the second set. So yan yung pagtuunan ng pansin for Coach Kenneth Cutamora and the rest of the crew ng white shirts ng PWC Patriots. And of course, the inaugural season of V-League Mindanao Collegiate Challenge presented by the SAFI is in partnership with Tabawenyo Disciplinado, Nestle Crunch, Virginia Foods Incorporated, Cantico Sports, Davis Solutions, Shark, Jersey Haven, at ng Mizuno Sporty Soul. And you can also watch the games live sa ating Pilipinas Live app. Download the app now on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and you can also check our website sa pilipinaslive.com. And you can also watch the games on the Mindanao Network at the Global Filipino Network. And you can also watch our matches sa ating YouTube channel. Subscribe to the V-League Philippines YouTube channel. Once again, ako po si Ray Alonsage, kauban ako si Trina Blanco, and has been an amazing start for the ladies in blue ng Ateneo de Davao University Blue Knights. And they're hoping to continue this momentum heading into the second set. And this is going to be a tall task if you're the Philippine Women's College of Davao Patriots. They have to limit their service errors, their attack errors as well, if they want to have a chance to even the match here in the second set. And second set now underway. And the first serve coming up mula kang Liberica Marie Yi, their setter for the Blue Knights. And here we go. So Yi will serve. It's a good reception from the Patriots. Hindi lang nagkaamuyan ata yung mga players ng PWC. There's a little bit of miscommunication there on that sequence for the Patriots off the serve from Yi. And that's the first point for the Blue Knights in this second set. That's a quality serve once again from Liberica Yi, and that's her first ace of the second set. There it is on that serve from Yi. And medyo malalim on that reception from Jelay Antipuesto. Another miscue from the PWC Patriots. Hindi maganda yung rotation, yung execution of the serve from the Blue Knights. And that's a cause of concern if you're Coach Kenneth Cutamora. And the Patriots, they don't want to get to be down early. And that shot was a little bit long mula kang Joy Maliari. And there goes the first point for the Patriots. And there's the first serve coming up from Hilary Clarion. Your setter. So maganda yung serve diyan. Good reception for the Blue Knights. Cross-court shot. Clarion with the dig. Opportunity here for the Patriots to score on this attack. Cross-court. Good dig. But that was way too deep. Shai Noro with another quality point for the Blue Knights. 4-1 for the Ateneo Blue Knights. There's that cross-court shot from Shai Noro. And good reception from Bukaling. Chance ball. Blue Knights. And that's a great defensive play. That's the first block of the second set for the PWC Patriots. Second point of the match. I mean in the second set. So Jessa Revita with the serve. And good reception by the libero Bacamante. Cross-court shot. Unfortunately, that was an attack error for the Blue Knights. Hindi lang siguro maganda yung timing on her attack attempt mula kang Malyari. So it's now a 1-point game early on sa ating second set. The tip, and that won't work for the Blue Knights. The Patriots looks to take another chance, but a good dig from the Blue Knights. Cross court, that's good. Mula kang Abigail Blanco, right on the line. As she was going on that kill for the Blue Knights. There it is. Great setup once again from Yi, and from the side, that's Blanco. Right on the line. So that's Bea Sitoy will serve. And we have a whistle. And that's a good quality serve from the Blue Knights from Sitoy. Hindi maganda yung reception on the side of the Patriots. Kaya tatlo na po ang abante ng Blue Knights, 6-3 in the first set. And the second set. Remember, the Blue Knights took the first set 25-15. Noro gives it up. And that shot goes mula kang Dastiana Joy Malyari. On that beautiful cross-court shot. Showing her full power on that cross-court shot from Malyari. 7-3 is the count for the Blue Knights in the second set. Clarion the setup. The tip, that won't work. He will set up to her teammate Blanco. But that was too long. And that's a point for the Patriots as they're back on serve for serving 7. So serving for the Patriots, that's Laika Requerme. And good reception from Noro. The tip, that won't work. Clarion will try. And that shot was out on that cross-court attempt mula kang Laika Requerme. And that's a point for the Blue Knights. As you go back on that replay, that was a good idea, pero that shot was long for the Patriots. Bukaling, bibigay. Sets up to their middle blocker, Antipuesto. Unfortunately, that shot was long for number 1 ng Patriots. So Antipuesto will be subbed out as she's going to be replaced by Erica Montes. Nine serving 4 for the Blue Knights. A 5-point advantage early in the second set. And it's a good dig from the libero ng Blue Knights. Blanco. And that ball was out. Last touch by Jimenez. At point mapunta sa PWC Patriots. As they're looking to stay close against the Blue Knights. And they're trying to spark a little bit of momentum in the hopes of evening this match after the second set. And that's a power tip from Jimenez off the combo play. And Ateneo now in double figures, 10-5. So Abigail Blanco will serve. As the Blue Knights looks to stay ahead of the Patriots. Clarion on the setup job, denied almost. Another opportunity for the Patriots. Cross court is good. Mula kang Desiree Tabucanon sa mga top scorers early in this season for the Patriots ng Philippine Women's College of Davao. 6 serving 10. So Desiree Tabucanon, good serve and great dig from Bacamante. Cross-court shot is good. Mula kang Shai Noro. Again, her full force. That was too much for the Patriots. And Sam Jimenez will serve for the Blue Knights. Looks to increase their advantage against the Patriots. Quick attack. That was a better dig for the Blue Knights. The Patriots. And there's a little joust in the middle, and that's a double block. So that's a violation against the Patriots. So tatawag ng timeout ang PWC as the Blue Knights now up by 6, 12-6 in the second set. So the question now for the Philippine Women's College of Davao Patriots, how will they overcome this full force of the Ateneo de Davao Blue Knights as they're still dominating so far in this match this evening dito sa ating Davao City Recreational Center. A lot of things to be figured out for the Patriots. And that was a block out from the Blue Knights. And that's a point for the Patriots. So this time, Micah Requerme will serve for the Patriots. Down 5 in the second set. Good reception there for the Blue Knights. Cross-court shot. And that's a good dig from Tabucanon. Noro. Here comes he. Balikang Noro. Block! That's great defense mula sa mga Patriots. And that's Laika Requerme with that block. There it is on that last play. Noro was trying to go for the kill, and there's that single block from Requerme, Laika Requerme. 8-12 ang ating talaan. Noro. Good dig. Patriots will try. That won't work. Balikang Noro. On the cross court, yes! Right on the line from Shai Noro. So a great outing on her first match tonight for Shaila Noro for the Blue Knights. As it's now a 5-point lead for Ateneo de Davao. It's an amazing debut so far for the Blue Knights as they're looking to grab their opening match victory dito sa ating V-League Mindanao Collegiate Challenge. Bukaling sets up. That shot won't work. Yi on the other side. Cross-court shot from the southpaw. And Sitoy with the tip. Great timing from the middle from Sitoy. Here's that replay. That was a good dig. Clarion trying to go over the net, pero inaabangan siya ni Sitoy at the middle. 14 serving 8 for the Blue Knights. 6 points is the advantage. Set up job, but that was an attack error from the Patriots. And that was the issue since the first set. Yung mga errors have been costly for the PWC Patriots so far in this match. 7-point advantage for the Blue Knights. And great reception mula kay Montes. Ball goes over the net. Yi to Sitoy. Yes! Great combo play on that off speed from Sitoy. 8 na po ang abante ng Blue Knights. 16-8. So Laika Requerme will be subbed out. So also a substitution here for the Blue Knights, as they're still in driver's seat, up by 16-8. And that's another quality point from Shai Noro. Make that a 9-point lead in the second set. Domination so far for the Blue Knights ng Ateneo de Davao. As the Blue Knights looks to grab a double-digit lead in the second set. Clarion on the setup job to her teammate. And that is good. Mula kang Jessa Rivita. Nice combo play from the Patriots. As the Patriots now on serve, down 8 in the second set. Clarion with the jump serve. And that's the first ace of the second set for Clarion. And that's their team captain, Hilary Clarion, on that service ace. And that's a deep serve for Clarion. And this time a better reception of the Clarion serve. Mukaling, ibigay kang Clarion, sets it up. Montes deflected. Another opportunity for the Patriots. Bola mapunta sa Blue Knights. Shot that was dug up by Clarion. Ball goes over the net. The Blue Knights with another opportunity to Noro. But that shot was outside the line. Another serve for Clarion coming up as the Patriots down by 6 points, 11 serving 17. And 14 minutes of play dito sa ating second set. But that was a bad reception for Abigail Blanco. That's 2 aces for Clarion in the second set. And that's a better reception for Ateneo. The tip. And that's a net touch violation on the Patriots. So that means a point for the Blue Knights. So Maliari will be subbed out as she's being replaced by Rosmar Evangelio, her opposite spiker for the Blue Knights. Good serve by Shai Noro. And PWC gives up a free ball. Blue Knights with that cross-court shot from Evangelio. And that's a 7-point lead for the Blue Knights, 19-12 at tatawag ng timeout si Coach Kenneth Kutamora ng PWC Patriots. So Desiree Tabucanon has been one of the top scorers so far in this match for the Philippine Women's College of Davao Patriots, but she needs some help from her teammates as they're down 7. As Ateneo de Davao now on serve with Shai Noro, and an excellent performance for her throughout the 2 sets of play for the Blue Knights. Clarion now on the setup. That shot deflected. Ball is still alive. Another chance. And Sitoy puts it down. Quality play after quality play for the Blue Knights, and that spells trouble for the Patriots, as they're now at the 20-point mark for the Ateneo de Davao University Blue Knights, 20-12. From the back row, and that's an attack error mula kang Revita. That's 21-12 for the Ateneo de Davao University Blue Knights, and that is the largest lead of the match. 9 points ang ating kalamangan for the Blue Knights. Good serve by Noro. Mukaling with the reception. From the back, that shot was dug up, but that was too much force from Desiree Tabucanon. Hindi lang masave yung bola doon si number 17, that's Jonah Ahero, their libero ng Blue Knights. So back on serve for the Patriots. That's just a Revita, but that serve was way too long for the Patriots. And that's 22-13 for the Blue Knights. So we have a substitution for Ateneo. Sitoy will be replaced by Nina Venus. And that's a surge specialist for Coach JC Velasquez and the Blue Knights. So, kaya may buga dito ni Nina Venus. Good reception from Bukaling off the serve. Cross-court attack! That's good! Mula kang Desiree Tabucanon. One of the lone bright spots for the Patriots. Take a look at this last replay. Great setup from from Clarion to the side, to the left side. That's Tabucanon on that cross-court hit. 14 serving 22 for the Patriots. Walang follow-up doon ang Blue Knights, and that's a service ace. First ace for Julie Codog dito sa ating second set. 15 serving 22 for the Patriots. Codog with another serve. Good dig from Evangelio. Set up job to Blanco. But good recovery from the Patriots. Tabucanon was on the line. Desiree Tabucanon, the leading scorer so far in the match for the Patriots. And that's another attack point mula sa Patriots. There it is on that long setup to Tabucanon on that deep shot right on the line. And that serve was long from Codog. And that's a point for the Blue Knights. 23-16 as the Blue Knights just 2 points away from taking a 2-0 advantage sa ating ikahuling match ngayong gabi dito sa Davao City Recreational Center. Tabucanon will try. Yes! There's that firepower from Tabucanon right through the blockers ng Ateneo de Davao. Going back to this replay. And there goes Tabucanon from the left side. That's her favorite spot. Serve coming up for Montes. And good reception from Venus. Blanco on the power tip. That won't work. Tabucanon will try again. Yes! She does it again. Amazing play from Tabucanon. Going up high for that attack point for the Patriots. 18-23 ang ating talaan. Sa Patriots still on serve. Here comes Erica Montes. Reverse serve coming up. And good reception from Venus. Hindi lang maka-follow up doon ang Ateneo de Davao, and that's an ace for Montes. And that's a much better second set for the Patriots ng Philippine Women's College of Davao, as they're down by 4. As we're now at 21 minutes of play dito sa ating second set. And Good reception from Noro. Blanco. Good dig from Bukaling. Chance for PWC. Goes over the net. From the back row, Noro. And natamaan nga lang sa net. And that was a good rally for these two teams, but that is now a set point for Ateneo de Davao, 24-19. 5 set points for the Blue Knights. And there's Abigail Blanco, will serve for the second set. And good reception from the Patriots. The tip, that won't work. Chance for Ateneo. Here comes Shai Noro. Off the scramble. And there you go. Ateneo de Davao takes the second set. And another amazing second set. But great effort for Desirita Bucanon throughout the second set, but it was not enough for the Patriots as the Ateneo de Davao University Blue Knights takes a 2-0 lead, 25-19 after 22 minutes of play dito sa ating second set. Third set coming up dito sa Davao City Recreational Center.
Mas gawing espesyal at mas pasarapin ang inyong paboritong beefsteak, chicken adobo at pork menudo. Mas pasarapin ang lutuin with Virginia liver spread.
Taste, feel, discover, and experience Mindanao as it lives and grows. This is Mindanao on Mindanao Network.
Espesyal at mas pasarapin ang inyong paboritong beefsteak, chicken adobo at pork menudo. Mas pasarapin ang lutuin with Virginia liver spread.
Taste, feel, discover, and experience Mindanao as it lives and grows. This is Mindanao on Mindanao Network.
Espesyal at mas pasarapin ang inyong paboritong beefsteak, chicken adobo at pork menudo. Mas pasarapin ang lutuin with Virginia liver spread.
Taste, feel, discover, and experience Mindanao as it lives and grows. This is Mindanao on Mindanao Network.
Espesyal at mas pasarapin ang inyong paboritong beefsteak, chicken adobo at pork menudo. Mas pasarapin ang lutuin with Virginia liver spread.
Taste, feel, discover, and experience Mindanao as it lives and grows. This is Mindanao on Mindanao Network.
And back to live action mula dito sa loob ng Davao City Recreational Center. As you're still watching our live coverage, hatid sa inyo ng V-League Mindanao Collegiate Challenge presented to you by Davao Schools Athletic Foundation Incorporated. So has been all Ateneo so far in this first two matches as they take a 2-0 lead. And for the PWC Patriots, it has been an amazing effort. Mula kang number 6 Desirita Bucanon, but it's not yet enough for the Patriots as they're trying to find some adjustments, they want to just improve their plays heading into this third set as they're looking to extend the match for the Patriots. And we have another discussion here with referee Bob Aslo alongside the team captains ng Ateneo de Davao at ng Philippine Women's College. Again, Ateneo de Davao has been clicking from all cylinders so far in this match. Set number 3 is now underway as the Blue Knights looks to sweep the match. Here comes Bukaling. Clarion, bibigay kang Tabukanon. Good dig from the libero ng Ateneo de Davao from the back row. That shot was a little short from Shai Noro, and that's the first point for the Patriots ng Philippine Women's College of Davao. So Clarion, their team captain, will serve. Good reception from Ateneo. Malyari with another attack error from Ateneo de Davao. Now early deficit for the Blue Knights as PWC with a much better start for the ladies in white. And that's a service ace. Magmula dito kang Hilary Clarion, her team captain. And that's a promising start for the ladies in white ng Philippine Women's College of Davao. Set up job, Blanco, drop shot, that won't work. Bukaling. Off speed, that won't work from Tabukanon. Blanco! Down it goes on that cross-court kill. First point for Ateneo de Davao. Take a look at this last replay. So great setup job from Blau. And there's that cross-court shot from the Blue Knights. Sitoy will serve. Clarion, set up job. That was deflected. And that's another miscommunication for the white shirts ng PWC. And that is the second point for the Ateneo de Davao Blue Knights. 2 serving 3. So Bea Sitoy with a decent contribution throughout the match for the Blue Knights, as they're up 2-0. And Tabukanon gives up a free ball. Lau, oh, that ball goes over the net. Malyari, cross court. And that is on the line. Napakaganda yung mga offensive plays throughout the match for the Blue Knights, as we are now even at 3 apiece. Sitoy with another serve coming up, but that was way short. And PWC back on top by 1, 4-3. So Jesela Brevita will serve as PWC looks to improve in the hopes of extending the match. Mukhang nadalasa ata yung bola dun from oh! Blanco! Showing her full force on the cross-court kill. Take a look at this last replay. Great setup by Lau to the side, and that's Blanco with that attack point. Malyari, good dig. Blanco will try again. And that's a great dig from the Patriots. Lau will try from back set. Malyari, that shot was a little bit too long. And that's 5 serving 4 for the Patriots ng Philippine Women's College of Davao. So tight contest early on sa ating third set. So Micah Requirement number 5 will serve. Oh, that's an ace! And that's the first ace of the match for Micah Requirement. So as libero Angel Bacamante apologizes to Coach JC Velasquez. Di lang natanggap yung serve from the Patriots. And that's a better reception from Bacamante. Great dig from Revita. Chance for Ateneo. Blanco. Good dig. Goes over the net. Lau will try again. Back set. And that's a good dig from Clarion. Chance ball. Another opportunity for the Blue Knights. Power tip from Blanco. Solid play for the Blue Knights. And that sums up the entire match so far for the Blue Knights ng Ateneo de Davao. Plenty of outstanding combo plays throughout the match, and this is one of them. Vladito kang number 16, I think that's Jimenez. We have that power tip. So Abigail Blanco will serve. Bukaling with the reception. Clarion. Nabucanon. That's a good dig from Blanco. Cross-court shot. That was long. Mula kang Shai Noro. And point for the Patriots ng Philippine Women's College of Davao. And Erica Montes will serve as PWC looks to extend the advantage. 7 serving 5. Blanco with the reception. Set up job to Noro. Bukaling with a dig pero walang kakampi na walang follow-up. So that's a point for Ateneo de Davao. Back on serve, down 1. So itong PWC did not follow up off the dig from Bukaling. Clarion. Quick shot, that won't work. And that looks like a football kick. Wala kang Revita. And that's another power tip from the Blue Knights ng Ateneo de Davao as we are even once again at 7. As the Blue Knights looks to win this match in 3 straight sets. Goes over the top. Noro, off speed, that won't work. Clarion set up job to Tabucanon. Good dig from Blanco. Lau from the back set. And it's a better dig from Montes. And that's an attack point mula kang Jessa Revita. PWC back on top by 1, 8-7. So Desiree Tabucanon will serve. Blanco with the reception. Noro puts it up and in. Goes up high, down hard. As we take a look at that last replay, Lau, beautiful setup to the left side, and that's Shai Noro does it again. Good serve by Lau, better reception from Montes. Set up high to Revita. Lau on the other side. Revita with the dig, goes over the net. Lau, balik kang Noro, off speed. Clarion, balik kang Revita. And that's an attack error from PWC, and that's a point for the Ateneo Blue Knights, led of course by this guy, Coach JC Velasquez. So Ado now has the edge over the Patriots. So Lau with another serve. Set up job, power tip, off the scramble play, and chance ball. Clarion. That was deflected from Sitoy. Lau. Ibigay. Malyari. But that was an attack error from Malyari. That was a little too short on that attack attempt from Malyari. Scores even again at 9. Yeah, tight contest as the Patriots looks to hold on and looks to extend the match to a 4th set. Pero we have a violation. So there's a wrong server violation against the Patriots. So that means a point for the Ateneo de Davao Blue Knights. 10 serving 9. And Shai Noro with an amazing performance for her. And there's a net touch on Bea Sitoy. Got caught handling the net from Sitoy. So that's a point for the Patriots. 10-all. As we're now 10 minutes of action here in this third set. Blanco puts it down with another attack point for the Blue Knights. Excellent contributions for Abigail Blanco throughout the 3 sets of play for the Blue Knights. So Bea Sitoy will serve. Here comes the cross-court shot. That won't work. Blue Knights with another opportunity to Blanco off speed. That won't work. Ateneo goes to Malyari. Good dig from the Patriots. Here comes Lau. Sets up to the left side. Blanco, Bukaling with the dig. From the back set, Tabucanon. And that was an attack error from Tabucanon as that was a short shot from Blanco. At dalawa na po ang abante ng Ateneo de Davao, 12-10. At tatawag ng timeout ang PWC Patriots. All right, V-League fans, it's time to turn down the heat and turn up the cool. We're giving a shout out to today's Crunch Ice Cream's coolest fan of the game. Boy, she's really bringing the energy, showing her team spirit, and keeping it cool all game long. So you just scored yourself a delicious Crunch Ice Cream treat. So you can just go to the Crunch booth outside the venue to claim your prize. So keep cheering, keep smiling, and keep cool with Crunch. As the Ateneo Blue Knights still has a 2-point lead, 12 serving 10. Another long rally sa pagitan ng dalawang koponan ngayong gabi. Clarion trying to go over the net. They do. Malyari deflected. Bukaling off speed. Lau. Balikan Malyari. Denied almost. Clarion bibigay sa kanyang kakampi. Great dig from Ateneo, from Noro. Cross court, good! Power play for the Blue Knights. And that's a 13-10 advantage. There it is. Lau on the setup to the left side to Blanco on that power attack. Tatlo na po ang abante ng Blue Knights here in the third set. Good serve from Bea Sitoy. And that's an ace. 14-10 for the Ateneo Blue Knights. And that's the first ace, I think, of the third set for the Ateneo de Davao Blue Knights, courtesy of Bea Sitoy. Better reception from Bukaling. And that shot was long. No ball touch. Walang block touch doon from the Blue Knights, so that means a point from Ateneo de Davao. And that's a 15-10 advantage. Another serve for Sitoy coming up. Clarion, back set. Oh, great save from Ateneo as that ball goes over the net. Teka lang. And that's a net touch violation on the Patriots. And that means a point for Ateneo de Davao. So patuloy na po ang momentum for the Ateneo de Davao Blue Knights. And the errors have piled up for the Philippine Women's College of Davao Patriots. Kaya lumumo na po ang kalamangan ng Ateneo de Davao, 16-10. So another serve coming up for Bea Sitoy as they're looking to extend the lead in the hopes of sweeping the match. That tip is good. This time, mula kang Julie Codog. So able to stop that momentum run from the Ateneo de Davao Blue Knights. And on screen there, that's Angel Bacamante, their libero. She's returned to the match. Reception. Ball goes over the net. Tabucanon with the attack point. So it's now 12 serving 16 for PWC. So back-to-back points para dito sa Patriots. Still within striking distance. Here in this third set. Lau on the left side to Blanco. Boy, that's her favorite spot. Para dito kang Blanco for the Blue Knights. 17-12 na po ang ating talaan. Here in the third set for the Ateneo de Davao Blue Knights. And Joy Malyari will serve, bringing the heat all throughout the match for the Blue Knights. Quick shot, that won't work. Lau on the setup job. That was denied almost. And ball goes over the net. Another chance for the Patriots. Great dig from Malyari. Lau, back set to Noro. Great dig from Clarion. The Patriots looking for the answer, but they can't convert. Lau! Clarion, another great dig. Ball goes over the net. And that goes! Quality play from the libero ng Ateneo de Davao. Mabula kang number 17, Winona May Ahero. That's 18-12 ang ating talaan for the Ateneo de Davao University Blue Knights. The inaugural season ng ating V-League Mindanao Collegiate Challenge is in partnership with Davaoenyo Disciplinado, Nestle Crunch, Virginia Foods Incorporated, Cantigo Sports, DavBiz Solutions, Shark, Jersey Haven at ng Mizuno Sporty Soul. Anim na po ang abante ng Ateneo de Davao Blue Knights. A healthy margin for the ladies in blue as they're hoping to capture their first win sa kanilang kampanya in the first season ng ating V-League Mindanao Collegiate Challenge. So Dustiana Joy Malyari will serve. But that serve was long. So point mapunta sa Philippine Women's College. Babalik po si Laika Requirement, number 4, being as their libero Jenabel Bestes will return to the sidelines. And on the other side, that's a service error. Wala kang Julie Codong. So there's now light at the end of the tunnel for the Blue Knights. Good serve from Blanco. Better reception from the Patriots. That shot was denied from Jimenez. Great timing on that block. Wala kang Jimenez as we take a look at this replay. And that was Tabucanon trying to go on the attack, but that was denied. No entry from Jimenez. Malyari. And that ball goes up high to the other side. Requerme, another denial. Back-to-back blocks. Mula kang Jimenez. Sam Jimenez with back-to-back blocks late in this third set. 21-13 for the Blue Knights, an 8-point advantage. Ball goes over the net. Jimenez, balikang Lau. Great dig from Revita. Goes on the right side. Lau now on the setup job. Noro. Great dig. Here comes Clarion, gives up a free ball. Lau, balikang Jimenez. Great dig from Bestes. Tabucanon, cross-court shot was long. And Ateneo just 3 points away from capturing their first ever win in the V-League Mindanao Collegiate Challenge. And that serve was long from Blanco. So PWC back on serve as they're now down 8. 14 serving 22. So Montes will serve for PWC Patriots. Another excellent reception from the Blue Knights. Attack error mula kang Shai Noro, and that's a free point for the Patriots. But still an amazing evening for Coach JC Velasquez and the rest of the Ateneo de Davao Blue Knights, as they're looking to win by 3 sets. Lau. Joust at the middle. Ball still is alive. Requerme. That attack was outside the line. So that's another point for Ateneo de Davao. So lalabas na po si Jimenez. She had 2 amazing blocks in this third set as she's being replaced by Nina Vinos, their service specialist. She wants to finish strong for the Blue Knights here in this third set. Clarion, quick attack attempt, that won't work. Lau, balik kang Noro. Ball goes over the other side to PWC. Antipuesto tip is no good. And that is a point for the Ateneo de Davao University Blue Knights. 9 match points for the Blue Knights na Ateneo de Davao. Nina Venus will serve for the match. Cross-court shot is good. So Erica Montes, one of those quality shots dito sa ating third set for the Philippine Women's College of Davao Patriots. So Laika Requerme will be subbed out. She's being replaced by number 9, that's Sheila May Diego. And she's going to serve for the Patriots. Oh, okay. So there were some adjustments on the side of the Patriots. And wait a minute. There's another whistle. And that's a rotational error. And that means the Ateneo de Davao University Blue Knights wins their first ever match dito sa loob ng Davao City Recreational Center. An amazing debut for the Ateneo de Davao Blue Knights as they win this match over the Philippine Women's College of Davao Patriots in 3 straight sets.
And now winner for match number 4.
An amazing debut this season, on this inaugural season for the Ateneo de Davao University Blue Knights. A lot of protagonists, a lot of heroes for the Ateneo de Davao Blue Knights, especially in the likes of Shai Noro. Had an excellent outing on their first game for the Blue Knights. So for the Philippine Women's College of Davao Patriots, they will fall to 0-2 sa kanilang win-loss record dito sa ating preliminary round. And here's our final result. The Ateneo de Davao University Blue Knights wins their first match here in the V-League Mindanao Collegiate Challenge, 3-0. So as we take a look at our scoring output, so 25-15, 25-19, and 25-16. A 3-0 victory for the Ateneo de Davao University Blue Knights. And let's listen to the school hymns from Ateneo de Davao at ng Philippine Women's College of Davao.
Our player of the game is Shai Noro with 15 attack points. Shai, how much of a confidence booster is this win for the Blue Knights moving forward?
Of course, first game, first win. This game is a very game booster for us since first we really had a tough journey joining this league kasi we had a lot of different schedules and hard battles in each of us. And this game is only the start and we'll go for higher.
Now you started strong, finishing this game in only 3 sets, but what can your supporters expect in your next games?
You can expect a better Ateneo, a better game, and a better play.
And lastly, shout out to your family and friends watching right now.
Shout out to my family, so hi, my friends, and my teammates, and of course, the Ateneo that supported us here.
Thank you, Shai, and congratulations to the Ateneo de Davao University.
Alright, maraming salamat Trina Blanco and congratulations to the best player of the match, Shai Noro, leading the way for Ateneo with their first ever win. So here's our games on Wednesday next week, February 11 po yan. And for the men's division, we'll start at 4 p.m. We have University of Mindanao versus the JMC Kings. Then at 6 p.m. we have the Holy Cross of Davao College Cross Blazers versus the Philippine Women's College of Davao Patriots. And now for the women's division, we have the 2 p.m. game between University of Mindanao versus the Philippine Women's College of Davao. And then at 8 p.m. our final game on Wednesday next week, Holy Cross of Davao College versus the Ateneo de Davao University Blue Knights. So yan ating aabangan next Wednesday on February 11. And thank you very much for watching sa ating live coverage na ating V-League Mindanao Collegiate Challenge presented to you by the Safi. So for our courtside reporter, Trina Blanco, and the rest of the outstanding broadcasting crew ng V-League Mindanao, ako po si Ray Alonsagay. Have a great evening everyone and we'll see you next Wednesday.